I have a younger brother who left campus like 3 years ago, and after alimaliza campus alikuja akatafuta internship like most of us do. Ukimaliza campus unakuja unatafuta job, na nao alipata internship in a certain company hapa Nairobi. After kupata the internship walikuwa wamewapromise that they will employ them after 6 months as usual, venye most of the companies wanafanya. So after the 6 months, imagine aulipwi, unatumia your transport, no lunch, sababu at the back of your mind unajua utapata job after 6 months. Now after 6 months ziliisha, waliambua the company cannot sustain them, watafute kazi nyingine. Now most of the companies in Kenya huwa wanatumia young interns wenye ndo wamemaliza campus ku build themselves, wakuwa wamepromise job na at the end of the day hawapei kazi. Now utapata company imekaa for 7 years na ina permanent employees, inatumianga the young people wenye wametoka campus, that is the interns, kufanya kazi. I think that is so wrong, sababu una make this young person atumie transport, no lunch, like nothing, hakuna kitu anapata, and I think that's so wrong for companies. Na nimeona hiyo kitu inaendelea sana nowadays. Unapata company haina employees, inatumia these young people, au wakimaliza the 6 months ina employ wengine, wanamaliza 6 months na hivyo ndo wana survive. That is so wrong. I think those companies should be conned out. Sawa sawa.